Welcome to my CX video. Tutorial 4. Bulk Personalized Video Messaging. This tutorial can be located at the bottom of your campaign's page. You will need to sign up or log in first. Select this tutorial and it will be added to your campaigns. The poster has a cat and dog image. Open the campaign and watch the sample video. Hi Cassandra. It's time for a checkup.
Hi, I'm Dr. Hoppel, and this is Easttown Veterinary Clinic, and I'd like to take you for a tour. This is our lobby where you will be greeted by Jonelle, who will then check you in for your appointment. Next place you and your pet will be is in our exam room with one of our wonderful exam assistants, like Tamara here, who will check you in and get everything ready until you get to see me, the doctor. This is our grooming area where your pet can come for a day of beauty. Thank you for coming along this video tour with me today. We hope to see you in person soon here at Easttown Veterinary Clinic.
The video template is ready to use. I will show you the campaign setup briefly, as this is all covered in earlier tutorials. Click Manage. You will see the template sample video and content dope sheet below. For this tutorial it is important to focus on the personalized CX input rows, their content type and names, as we will be providing these by uploading a data sheet. To see the video template in more detail, we can open it in the CXC Studio Sequence Editor. There is a detailed tutorial on this template editor. The content is shown on the left, with the timeline below showing content edit strips. You can find all the components of the video in these. Audio strips are green. Video strips are purple. And the strips containing the text and images are brown. The template contains default values. This will be replaced with the content specified in a bulk mailing datasheet. Some of the content is static. It will appear in every video, like these static video clips. Personalized content, like the first name text value, may be reused in another text message. For this tutorial it is important to focus on the personalized content type and names. The dope sheet configuration has these ticked: first name text, greeting audio, pet image, pet name text, service audio, and the call to action, online text. In the audio recording studio, I have already pre-recorded these service audio files. It's time for a checkup. It's time for vaccinations. It's time for the next treatment. Is it time for grooming? One of these audio file names will be provided in the data sheet for each unique video. You have selected Sally. I will read your script in English, American. I downloaded the example sample data file. Then changed the default values. Uploaded the content pet image files and data sheet. Then generated my sample set. Tutorial 1 covers the production page create and review process. The first row in the sheet contains the content name and type. First name text. Pet name text. Pet image. The pet image file names will match the image files I also upload with the sample data sheet. Hi Janice. It's time for vaccinations. Hi Cassandra. It's time for vaccinations. Hi Terry. It's time for the next treatment. Hi Barry. Is it time for grooming? Hi Frank. It's time for a checkup. I have reviewed all the samples. The campaign is now ready for launch. Just confirm you have checked your account and purchased a subscription. Check the template. Reviewed the samples. Then launch the campaign ready for publishing videos. You should also check our terms and make sure you adhere to our respectful use clause. Your campaign may take a few minutes to be launched. If you make any changes to your video templates, then you will need to deploy the updates from here. Changes will not propagate to publishing until deployed. I have prepared the publishing in advance ready for launch. This campaign sends email and SMS messages with call to action links and social share buttons via the bulk data publishing process. Before we send in bulk, we should send some test messages. This is easily done using the app. Enable live mode in the settings and save. We will send a test email to a third-party spam testing site. This will check the quality of our email, as we want to make sure that it is not flagged as spam. I will enter my mobile number and check the SMS. I added some more pet images in the template editor to make testing easy. You can upload an image here or just use the default image. While we wait for the test messages to come through, I will show you the email and SMS setup. This is all covered in detail in Tutorial 1. Note the sender email address is validated and the domain key identified mail. DKIM is enabled. DKIM will improve our spam score. I prepared the HTML copy by selecting one of the preloaded formats icons on the right. You will edit this to reflect your business information. There will be a clickable poster image inserted to play the video. The email copy and subject line along with the SMS message text may contain personalization. By entering the video template data name enclosed in double curly brace. Call to action links to websites and Facebook along with some easy social share buttons will all appear under the recipient's video. After sending the test messages, you can disable the app. After looking at the final email and spam tests, we are now ready for the bulk processing. This is your last chance to check everything carefully. So be thorough. Hi James. It's time for a checkup.
Hi, I'm Dr. Hoppel, and this is Easttown Veterinary Clinic, and I'd like to take you for a tour. This is our lobby where you will be greeted by Jonelle, who will then check you in for your appointment. Next place you and your pet will be is in our exam room with one of our wonderful exam assistants, like Tamara here, who will check you in and get everything ready until you get to see me, the doctor. This is our grooming area where your pet can come for a day of beauty. Thank you for coming along this video tour with me today. We hope to see you in person soon here at Easttown Veterinary Clinic.
The mailtest.com site is free to use for a small number of tests. You are looking for a spam score higher than 7. Their hints and tips on improving your email content will guide you. The bulk data processing has these 8 steps to complete. Select the video template to be used. Download the example data sheet and add your bulk data set. Upload any content files. Upload your completed data sheet. Then select the data sheet from this area. You will then start the data processing to create and send personalized video messages. Finally, we will check the metrics page for results. Let's do it. 1. Select the template. 2. Download the example data file. I will save it to my data folder. Then open it. I will use Excel. 'The example data only contains default values. The content name and type is on the first row. You will need to provide your mailing list address and mobile numbers. I will start with a small sample batch for 5 videos. And set the service audio file name first. These audio file names must be entered exactly as they appear in the Audio Studio. If you have uploaded audio, then enter your own file names. Then enter the first names and your pet image file names. We will upload these images in a moment. In the last column, I enter the pet name. It matches the image files. It is vital you create an accurate data file with a correct set of values. You may have a CRM database or data sheet already, with your customer data in a usable format. Remember to set your mobile column format to text. This will prevent Excel from truncating the numbers and allow you to enter the full dialing code. When your data sheet is complete, then save it ready for uploading. Now upload the content files that we just entered for the pet images. The default image is already uploaded. It will get used if a pet image is missing. Now upload the completed data sheet. The uploaded data sheet is auto-selected. The data processing and monitoring dials will be displayed. The icons above the dials will provide more details. You can start processing now, or enter a future calendar date and time. Start now. You will see the data quantity loaded, and the schedule time is now. As videos are generated and sent, you can monitor the progress. If you initially see data errors, then it would be best to hit Cancel All. Then recheck your data file. There is a button to watch generated videos here. Hi James. It's time for a checkup. Once the videos are generated and sent, you can view activity from the metrics page. Here you will see the 5 videos that I sent from the publishing app. These were all open to check copy and spam quality. 2 of those videos were watched through to the end. If your campaign has several templates, then you can view the metrics breakdown and log for each template. Thank you for watching this tutorial. It builds on the training found in tutorials 1, 2, and 3. If you require help setting up video campaigns or processing bulk data, then please reach out to our sales and support teams. Make it personal with my CX video. Because everyone is different.